Hello dear traders, you're watching the latest financial calendar with me, Anna Kasatkina. Traders are to keep abreast of the following macroeconomic statistics during the early half of the week. Thus, on Monday, Germany will unveil its consumer price index data for September. According to analysts, prices are seen to have been up by 0.1% from the previous month and have risen by 0.8% from September 2013. In August, Germany's consumer prices edged up the same 0.8% on a yearly basis and were flat comparing to July. The readings matched preliminary estimates and experts' anticipations. The figure in August was affected by a sharp decline in energy prices that was offset by a slight increase in food prices and higher services costs. This kind of situation boosts the pressure on the European Central Bank, so that the regulator is leaning towards taking more drastic measures to prevent the fall in prices, which can cause even greater harm to the stalling bloc's economy. Then the US will release its Conference Board Consumer Confidence Report for September. Analysts say the indicator has come in at 92.5 points in the reporting period. In the preceding month, the Conference Board Consumer Confidence grew to 92.4 points, topping experts' forecasts of 89.1 points. Note that the Conference Board uses the year of 1985 level of 100 points as a point of reference. July's reading stood at 90.3 points. Thus, the indicator is now at its highest level since October of 2007. This once again confirms the steady recovery of the US economy. On Friday, the United States will unveil one more important indicator, ADP non-farm employment change. The forecast suggests an increase of 200,000 jobs. It is worth mentioning that the US private sector added 204,000 jobs in August. Despite the fact that the data was below the expected gain of 218,000, the indicator's growth still exceeds the value of 200,000 that has been holding for 5 months in a row. This also signals a steady positive dynamic in the US labor market. In addition to the events I've listed, investors will keep their finger on the pulse of the following releases. So the US pending home sales index data will be out on Monday. On Tuesday, Japan will disclose several reports on its unemployment, industrial output and retail sales. New Zealand will report on its business confidence measured by ANZ. In Germany, retail sales data will be released. Meanwhile, France will provide its consumer spending report. Germany will also announce its unemployment change and jobless rate data. The United Kingdom will publish its current account figures and final GDP estimate. Canada will release its GDP report. On Wednesday, China will unveil its manufacturing PMI numbers, while Australia is set to release its retail sales data. In addition, several EU countries, including Germany, France and the entire euro area, will deliver their PMI manufacturing data. The US will also provide its ISM manufacturing index reading. This was the latest calendar of financial events prepared for you by our InstaForexs team. See you next week. Bye.